welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna do a body scrub, and we're gonna need oil, sugar, coffee, and essential oils, maybe cinnamon if you like, and fresh herbs like rosemary or so. So this is what I do. This is what works for me. I'm just wanna share it with you because nobody wants to pay for the sugar body scrub like $50 or something, or even $20. It's way too much. This is how I do it, and this works for me. It works wonderfully, and I'm gonna do it now so I can use it for shower because I was just coming back from training. So here it is. A body scrub made of coffee grains, salt and sugar with infused oil, and the oil would be infused with rosemary and rosemary flowers, since my rosemary actually is flowering right now. Also, I will be using patchouli oil and a little bit of white lavender. So this is what we need: sugar, salt, coffee grains, some herbs, a jar, and oil. So to infuse it, I will put it on the stove, and yay, and I will heat up the oil a little bit, like 50 degrees maybe. I'm not an expert, so I think I need to chop this a little bit to release a little bit of the juices, like this, and I will simply put it in oil together with flowers and flowers too. The oil was about, I don't know, maybe 1 minute on full power, and now we just let it sip and sit for like 20-30 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna mix coffee, salt and sugar into this mix. Some coffee, and we're gonna mix it now. Just so with the circular motions, go around this jar. Of course you can mix it in a bowl, but I want to know how much sugar. Never measure. So this is how it looks. I will add some drops of patchouli and a little bit of lavender. Oof, that may be much. And just mix a little bit. Oil. The oil will sip down. Yes. And why I didn't add patchouli and the other oil to the mixture here is because I can use that oil in cooking because it's rosemary. So I will have rosemary infused oil. Use a funnel and I will funnel this in, but I will use strainer so I will get all the flowers and rosemary in the strainer, and I can put it back in my beautiful peeling. So this is sugar peel, made your own. Oh, it smells delicious. It works and it costs like $2. And after all, you can use this for salad, the oil. You can use the oil for salad or for cooking. Perfect. So you have 2-in-1. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.